Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you 10 tips and tricks you can try on your Telegram app. I will be showing you this on an iPhone 12 Pro Max, but Android phones will have a similar menu system as well. So the first one is how to customize your Telegram app. This is a great feature within Telegram as it lets you customize the app in terms of chat background, color, icon, text size, app icon, and dark mode settings. You can get these options by going into your settings, then appearance. Here you have an option to choose your color theme. If you don't like that, then you have more choices down below. You can also mix and match using both of the options. If you still don't like that, you have the option to choose the chat background from the Telegram's photo library, or you can select it from your photo library. You can select your dark mode option if you want to follow your iPhone settings or disable it or schedule it. You can also set it to automatic as well. And below that, you can select the different app icon. Now the second tip is a variety of stickers and animated emoji. As you can see, there are a variety of stickers to choose from. If you choose an emoji, it will actually animate the emoji. The third tip, self-destructing media. As the title suggests, you can send self-destructing video or photos to the other person. So tap on a paperclip at the bottom left, then tap on photo or video, select your video or photo and then long press on the blue arrow. Then select send with timer. Select your time and then send it off. As the time finishes, the media will delete itself from the chat window. The fourth one is where you can edit a sent message. If you made a mistake on your message which you have sent, no problem, just long press on the message and then tap on edit. Now edit your message and send it off again. Fifth one, read your message out to you. This is a really cool feature if your hands are tied or you're busy in something else. You can make Telegram read your messages to you. Long press on the message, then tap on speak. The message will then be read to you. The sixth one is where Telegram has its own built-in video and photo editor. Telegram has an advanced photo or video editor built in. For photos, you can do normal cropping and resizing, but in addition to that, you can also add stickers, text, and also draw on the photo. You also have the editing tools for your photo to adjust brightness, contrast, highlight, and many other settings. For video, you can actually adjust the brightness, contrast, and many other settings within the video. The seventh one is where you can send video messages. So this is a unique feature which I have not seen in any of the other messaging app. If you tap on the mic icon on the chat screen once, the icon will change into a camera icon. Now long press on it and you can now send a video message to your friends or family. Record your message in the form of a video. You can also switch to the rear camera. The limit to the video message is 60 seconds. After you have recorded it, you can also trim out the part you don't require in your video message. Once you're happy, then send it off. The eighth tip here is chat folders. You can now create chat folders within Telegram. This is a really cool feature as it allows you to divide your chat windows into different categories. So for example, if you have one for family, one for friends, and one for work. To enable this, go to settings, then chat folder. Now tap on create new folder. Enter in the name of the group, add the contacts you want to include in this chat folder. Now tap on create. And now you can create another one as well in a similar process. Now return back to the chat window and at the top you'll notice all the chat folders you have created. The ninth tip here is to pin message and save message. This is another great feature from Telegram. The first one is where you can pin the message for yourself or for both of the parties. Say for example, you want to keep hold of an address or a telephone number. Then you just need to long press on the message and then tap on pin. Now here you can choose if you want to pin for yourself or for both chat users. All the pinned messages will only appear on the person's chat window at the top. The second one is to send your message to the saved folder of Telegram. So this could include anyone's message and it can be accessed via the settings. So to save a message, long press on a message and then tap on forward. Now tap on Saved Message. This message will go into your saved message area. Now to access your saved message, you need to go into settings, then tap on saved message, and all of the saved messages will be here from any of the users. And the last one is where you can delete message or media for both sides of the chat. So this is a cheeky trick on your side where you can delete a message on both sides, so whatever you typed cannot be used against you. So in a chat window, long press on a message, now tap on delete. Here you'll see an option to delete for yourself or both sides. Select both sides and you'll see it delete. The good part is that it'll delete on the other person's side without letting them know that it has been deleted. And now it's time for the bonus tip which I want to share with you. This is a secret menu within Telegram which you can access through settings. If you go to settings, then tap on settings 10 times and you'll enter this debug menu. You can do many techie stuff on this page, so if you're into this, then do check it out. And there you go, that are the 10 tips and tricks you can do on your Telegram app. I must say WhatsApp and Signal have a lot of improvements or catching up to do in their app. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.